Welcome back to MQLrobot EAS. In this video, we'll take a look at the logic behind the wick ratio candlestick trader EA built using FXdreema, a no-code visual builder for MetaTrader expert advisors. This EA is designed to capture reversal opportunities based on candlestick wick-to-body ratios, following a rule-based system that checks both market structure and candle behavior. Let's break down the logic. The core condition looks for candles with long wicks, where the upper and lower wicks are both larger than the candle body. This typically signals indecision or potential reversal points in price action, similar to what's seen in doji or spinning top candles. Depending on the candle pattern, bullish or bearish, the EA executes trades accordingly. A bullish reversal condition triggers a buy trade. A bearish reversal condition triggers a sell trade. Additionally, the EA includes a Martingale-style lot management system, where position sizing is adjusted based on a multiplier, lots X, to potentially recover previous losses. But this also comes with increased risk. You can easily configure key parameters like lot size, stop loss, and take profit in pips, minimum body size, and the lot multiplier used for the Martingale logic. The logic runs once per bar and avoids overlapping trades by using no trade conditions at the beginning of each cycle. Important reminder, before using this EA on a live account, be sure to understand the strategy logic clearly. Adjust the risk parameters to match your risk appetite, and always perform a backtest with 99.9% tick data for accurate results. You can find the downloadable EA and more details at MQLrobot.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to MQLrobot EAS for more no-code FXdreema builds and strategy breakdowns.